Okay, I just want to do a quick video. It's an update. I did a video a few months ago on the In Search Of video on Coral Castle, and I was curious about some of the tools that were in Ed's tool room back at the time of that shooting. This was one of the main ones I was wondering about, and also this. Now, we still don't know what this is. I don't believe it's the same chair from up in Ed's living quarters. Soon after I put out the video, a good friend that has been to Coral Castle once again sent me some photos. He sent me a photo of this tool here. That's this tool right here. It matches perfectly with this. It's the same tool. It's got a series of gears in it. You crank here, and this gear turns the little gear, which turns the big gear, which turns the little gear, which goes to this piece here. What was Ed running off that piece there is a good question. Being that there's two holes here, he had it mounted somewhere. Could this have been mounted up right at the apex of one of his tripods? Did he set this up in the tripods to bring up the other equipment? Or was he using it to run another wheel of sorts? How fast would that gear ratio get this little piece going? What would it be best utilized for? Now, at least we know what the mystery object is, but we don't know what it was used for. Does anybody have any idea? It doesn't look like it was used for anything really heavy duty. But if he hooked that into maybe his grinding wheel, could he get a grinding wheel going fast enough with that, or? Maybe he used this to string his aerials for his radio. I don't know if that's a locking mechanism there. I thought it was like a ratchet, but I don't think it is. Maybe. So if anybody has any idea, please let me know in the comments or wherever you would like. See, all the rest of this stuff is still there. You see how this coil was set up in a block, possibly. This unit's still there in other pictures. As a matter of fact, this unit is a little like this unit, which is another questionable tool. And why does he have it wired the way he's got it wired? Thank you for everyone's time. Hope you have a great day.